You can expect a lot from the 2012 Nissan Armada. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, heated front and rear seats, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.